Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Imperial Chaos, your favorite crypto trader. Um, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm gonna take you on one app like that where you can make some referral. You refer at the end. Just copy link, send them link, and get your money. That's just it. So before we go, I would like you to do the needful because I would like to be always remembering you guys this thing. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like and share my video and comment if you have any questions. So many people will say I used to see all this type of video and by the end of the day it will not end well. No, this particular video I'm going to review to you now. Once you follow it well, it's very simple. Once you follow it well, you will learn, and if you practice it, it will work perfectly. No two ways about it, no doubt. I'm just telling you the real fact. So, but before then, I would like you to get your written materials as usual, so we can commence. There is no much talk. There is no need making a lot of noise and making a lot of statement. You just have to go straight on what you hear from. And I'm not gonna mention the name of the app. I would like you to watch to the end to get all the strategy needed. Because if you watch halfway, it might affect you. Yes, it might affect you. So watch attentively, and when you get lost, try and rewatch. Yeah, that's the most important thing in the watching video online. Because at the beginning, I'm teaching you physically. It will be a little bit easier, but since you are watching it online, it's still easy because you are gonna rewatch whenever you get lost anywhere. So I would like you to focus well and follow my training well, and you learn well. Love you. Let's go. Guys, um, I'm going to go to the app right now. This is the app I want us to use. It's called Rook. If I don't mention it well, it's fine. So in this app now, we'll be telling you many things. I've been using this app for past 4 years. Uh, so this is it. It's a cryptocurrency app. You just have to slide up. Yes, you can see all digital assets we have here. Yes, I only have 13 naira here because I haven't funded it again. All my funds are on my Trust wallet. Yes, because of some certain reason best known to me. So this is how I make that money here, the passive income. You can also save in this particular app. This is very nice and reliable app, but it's not a financial advice. I'm just telling you out of experience. Yes, you see. So you have to go here, see my transactions. I've used this app very well. I have used this app too well. So all you have to do is just here. You see earn passive income. Once you enter this app, what you do, you just go down here and see earn passive income. But that's by the way, if you haven't registered in this app, you have to download it first. I think it's available in Play Store and iOS, that's Apple Store. So any of the things any of the device that you're using, you can still download it and get registered. Once you are registered, try and put your fingerprint or your password and don't forget it. Yes, I will still teach you more on how to fund this. Then that's by the way. Once you enter into this place like this now, you just have to scroll up for you to earn passive income even when you don't buy any of the cryptocurrencies here. You have to go here, you just click, you see earn passive income on Roku. Refer your friends and earn 0.5% on all their transactions when they get sign up using your referral link. Click here to get your link. This simply means that whenever, even if you don't have any money here on this app, whenever you feel like earning but you don't want to, you just have to tell your friend, because this particular app is reliable and they fast in payment. So you're just going to tell them to use your link and get registered. You have to just click here. You see this thing now showing how people are helping others. Just click here If you bring you here, this is my referral link. All you have to do is just tap copy. Once you tap copy, the referral link has been copied to clipboard. Definitely it has been copied. So then you got to go back to your whether your WhatsApp, whether your Facebook, or wherever you can share to your friends and ask them to register and sign up with this particular app, and they can download the app. So whenever they do any sign up, buy anything or do anything, you will get your referral commission. Thanks. Share my video.